Abazali bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umkosi wethu namhlanje. Bazali bamzitho, it's about umntana kaJacob Zuma, uNomcebo. Yes, uNomcebo, the one who is married to uKing Mswati the third. So guys, there were allegations that umntana kaJacob Zuma has moved back to SA and has left uKing Mswati the third because of uthi she has spent a lot of months angaboni uKing Mswati the third. Remember umfazi we-16 kuKing Mswati. uKing Mswati unabafazi abayi-16 and abantwana abayi-40 something, more than 40 kids. Obvious, he's a busy man. 16 wives, guys. There's no way ukuthi uzonibona nonke, but the reason akaNomcebo ukuthi asuke eSwazini is because uKing Mswati bekahleli a lot of months angamboni, and hayi ukuthi angamvakasheli, angaspendi isikhathi naye. And it is so sad because remember uNomcebo is very young and she just got married. Udinga isikhathi nomyeni wakhe, which is understandable, guys. But I think these kids or these new wives abangena isithembuni, they need to understand indaba yesithembu and nokuthi sisebenza kanjani, because even if bokuyimi I will spend 3 months 2 months ngaboni umuntu wami at all. It is very unfair, and I thought mina the pastor's office is omusha uyothola isikhathi esiningi nobaba, or uyo othola more time nobaba because usanda kufika mos thina simjoyela ubaba. But I guess kusithembu sakaKing Mswati that is not how the things go. uKing Mswati kuthiwa bangaboni Nomcebo has moved back to South Africa, and uKing Mswati usende abakhongi ukuthi bazomxolisela bamcelela unkosikazi wakhe back, but the former president, which is the father of uNomcebo, uJacob Zuma, uthi no, ngiyabonga, alright umntwana ngani. And remember guys, uJacob Zuma was not happy about lo mshado lo. There were a lot of allegations saying uJacob Zuma don't want umntana wakhe angene esithembini, akafuna umntana wakhe angene ashade noKing Mswati. And remember lo mntana ulotshelwe ngama-millions, guys. So ulotshelwe ngey'nkomo ey'ningi because she was a virgin that time. We don't know if she's still a virgin. And umntana we-former president, I don't know whether abantwana be-former president nabo badura njengabantwana bamakhosi, because I do know bathi umuntu obuye ebukhosini ulotshelwa ngey'nkomo eziyi-more than 15 or more, not lesser than 15. But I don't know whether it same applies to our president, because uJacob Zuma kusinkosi, guys, he was a former president. Maybe babona ukuthi ngoba bokumntana we-president mele abe umuntu omele alotshelwe ngalezo nkomo. And it is understandable because uKing Mswati is one of the richest men, guys, in Africa. Even though the country is not doing well, but then himself he is doing well. I do understand where uNomcebo abuya khona, and I think maybe mele abuyele ekhaya kubo understand this indaba yesithembu hamba kanjani. Nami ngeke ngize ngihlale 3 months 2 months, guys, even a month. Angeke uhlale a month ungaboni mina. I guess it's understandable if you are dating a businessman, umuntu uyahamba ayi over 6, but umuntu ukhona la uyazi wena ukuthi ukamazi bani, but la kuwa akaphumeleli ukufika 2 months. 2 months in, guys. So I do understand uNomcebo la buya khona, but into I understand ukuthi why Jacob Zuma angavumi ukuthi bangene bakhulumisana. Remember, akwazi ukuhlala nonkosikazi womuntu, umuntu lotsholiwe kakho as babazali. No, unkosikazi mabuya qala nje mele ubhale incwadi or whatever, understand ukuthi umntwana why sekabuyile, because umntwana nemlobolile uphelele, so kuwumuntu wenu. So I guess Jacob Zuma is very happy. But bazalwane, so that is all for now. Please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngilithanda ukuya